Monster Labs AI is one of the most exciting and groundbreaking AI tools to hit the market, and in this review, we'll go over 7 crucial things you need to know about this just released software. Whether you're a marketer, business owner, or just someone curious about AI, you're going to want to stick around for this, because we're diving deep into what makes Monster Labs AI a game changer. So, what exactly is Monster Labs AI? Well, it's an all-in-one AI platform designed to streamline and automate a wide range of tasks in your business. From content creation to data analysis, this software is built to make your workflow smoother and faster. And the best part? You can try it completely free from the first link in the description below so you can see if it's right for you. The first thing you need to know about Monster Labs AI is its simplicity. Unlike some AI tools that require a steep learning curve, Monster Labs is incredibly user-friendly. You don't need to be a tech expert to use it. Whether you're automating social media posts, generating content for your blog, or setting up AI-powered email campaigns, Monster Labs lets you get started with minimal effort. Second, it's built with automation in mind. As digital marketing becomes more competitive, efficiency is key, and Monster Labs helps you stay ahead of the curve by automating tasks that would normally take hours. With its cutting-edge algorithms, it can handle everything from lead generation to customer segmentation, which means you can focus on growing your business while it handles the heavy lifting. The third thing you'll love about Monster Labs AI is its scalability. Whether you're just starting out or already managing a large enterprise, this tool adapts to your needs. It's customizable to fit the specific requirements of your business. And as you grow, so does the platform. This makes it a long-term investment for anyone serious about leveraging AI in their business strategy. Another crucial feature is the content generation capabilities. Monster Labs AI excels in helping you create high-quality, SEO-optimized content quickly. From blog posts to social media updates, it generates text that sounds natural and human-like, saving you countless hours on writing and editing. And the AI constantly improves, ensuring the content stays relevant to your target audience. One feature that sets Monster Labs apart from other AI tools is its powerful data analytics. It's not just about automating tasks, it's about making smarter decisions based on data. With its real-time reporting and insights, Monster Labs AI gives you a clear view of what's working and what's not, so you can adjust your strategy accordingly. Now, let's talk integrations. Monster Labs AI seamlessly integrates with popular tools like Google Analytics, HubSpot, and Shopify, which means you won't need to manually switch between platforms. This smooth integration makes managing your business more efficient and less time-consuming, allowing you to run campaigns across different channels without the headaches. Finally, Monster Labs AI offers incredible support. Even if you're new to AI, you won't be left in the dark. Their customer service team is always available to guide you through any issues you might encounter, and they provide extensive resources, including tutorials and guides, to help you get the most out of the platform. If you're interested in trying Monster Labs AI, I highly recommend checking out the free trial through the first link below. It's one of the few AI tools that truly lives up to the hype, and after testing thousands of AI tools, I found it to be one of the most reliable and versatile options available. And before you go, don't forget to check out my recommended AI software list in the description. I've personally tested each of them and found them to be incredibly effective. If you're serious about improving your business with AI, these tools will help you get there faster. So there you have it. Monster Labs AI is definitely worth considering if you're looking to automate and scale your business. Whether you're a marketer or a small business owner, this tool can help you streamline your processes and improve your overall efficiency. Don't forget to hit the link below to try it for free, and I'll catch you in the next video.